Let me introduce you to the new Meet app inside Microsoft Teams. I'm in Teams, and down the left-hand side I can customize the navigation bar. Go to the three dots and type in Meet. The Meet app is now on my navigation bar, and I can right-click to pin it here. This is a neat app which will show you a summary of all your upcoming meetings. I really like that you can send a reminder if people haven't RSVP'd yet. You can reschedule it, you can chat with participants from this screen, or you can view the meeting details or copy the meeting link from here. You can use the arrow to navigate to the next meetings, or if you need to see more than 30 days ahead, you can open your calendar directly from the app. Down the bottom we've got recent, so this is showing us a summary of all recent meetings here. And I like that you can chat with participants directly from the screen. Any meetings that have content such as shared files are listed here, and any recorded meetings are listed here. We can see the transcript and the video. You can do a search at any time across the top. It's a helpful app to manage all of your meetings in one place.